Hi, this is Maria Liberati from marialiberati.com, the Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and the Maria Liberati Show podcast. My inspiration today is mint, fresh mint. Everybody doesn't seem to know what to do with it, but I'm going to use it in an Italian frittata. It's a traditional Italian frittata, and we call mint mentuccia in Italy. Basically, we're using 3 eggs, real simple ingredients, just eggs, kosher or sea salt, and I did a chiffonade cut of the mint and really good quality extra virgin olive oil. So that's 4 ingredients. That's all you need to do this frittata. So I'm breaking 3 eggs into a bowl, and I'm just going to wire whisk them. And we're going to add a pinch of sea salt or kosher salt. Some people like to add salt that's been flavored. There's a truffle salt. And I did a chiffonade cut of some fresh mint or mentuccia. And I'm going to add that. It makes a really refreshing flavor for your frittata. So I am going to add that in. And it's ready to be cooked. So I am adding in about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. We're going to let that get warm. So now we're putting our frittata mixture in, and again, it's just 3 eggs, fresh mint, a pinch of salt, and olive oil. So now there we go. Wow. Okay. So now we're going to flip it over. See if that'll flip over. Well, it did almost. Let me get that. There we go. All right. So we did. The trick to getting this not to stick is to really warm the pan also before you start making it. But we did good enough. This is good, great. And once it's done on the other side, your frittata is ready. If you have any more mentuccia, you can do a little chiffonade cut like I did before and serve it on top. And this is my frittata with mentuccia or mint. Simple recipe. This is the final wrap-up of all my mint recipes. This is Maria Liberati from marialiberati.com, the Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and the Maria Liberati Show. You can go to marialiberati.com and the Maria Liberati Show and find all these recipes and more. Peace, love, and pasta. Till next time.